Hey guys, alright, information reaching out to me this afternoon or this evening or right now. A maker mother just called me that say they don't release the son, a maker. So brother Mike has been released. Just listen to the voice notes.
Hey, I thank you, my brother. Brother Mike don't release them.
I have you. I just see her for internet. Nah. I mean, they shoot things money. Where you there?
He never come out. They come for road. You say they get across it. But they don't let me say they come for road. They never come out.
I happy well. I happy well.
Now you are happy for that. Now you are the tank. What do you do for me? Now God will bless you.
Now my brother, now my friend. Now my brother, now my friend. And my brother, I bet when he come.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, for my correct people, hey, congratulations to brother Michael. Congratulations. Hey, we are so happy. Oh. They don't finally release brother Mike. Congratulations to him. So they say in they on bail now, so him go say they go court, but they don't bail. At least we don't hear from her now. Thank God say we don't finally hear from her. I am so happy. Congratulations to you, my brother. Congratulations. Even Facebook, the court, the lawyer will even fight the case. Now two of them even snap the picture together. I am so happy to hear from him. I am so happy. No, I don't understand though. So these videos where would they do now? People put us for problem. Person have to control a mouth for what he go they talk. Oh. Now no say brother Mike they always they talk for all those politicians matter. Now because in the Nigeria then I make the quick cash am so now understand. Because in they always they talk for their matter. Not because the way they tell they behave. And because the way they tell they behave. When I understand. Because me don't see why they can't go arrest brother Mike now. The thing shocked me, my people. The thing really shocked me. So when I see the video, I say, what if brother Mike can't do rich like that when they can't arrest him? You know, but thank God for his life. Thank God say they still release him. Thank God for his life. I am so happy for him. So make I put the video where other people be they cry or will they cry and say we'll not hear from her. But thank God we don't finally hear from her. Okay, please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Please wanna share the video. Congratulations to brother Mike so that make the whole world say they don't release him. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral.
Hey guys, alright, information reaching out to me this afternoon or this evening or right now. A maker mother just called me that say they don't release the son, a maker. So brother Mike has been released. Just listen to the voice notes.
Hey, I thank you, my brother. Brother Mike don't release them.
I have you. I just see her for internet. Nah. I mean, they shoot things money. Where you there?
He never come out. They come for road. You say they get across it. But they don't let me say they come for road. They never come out.
I happy well. I happy well.
Now you are happy for that. Now you are the tank. What do you do for me? Now God will bless you.
Now my brother, now my friend. Now my brother, now my friend. And my brother. I bet when he come back, I talk to him.
Okay, now my phone because they never give my phone.
Okay, then go give him.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be that one.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, Mama.
Yeah. Now the mama they talk so. Brother Mike has been released. I don't want to mention or to thank or to say any word to any man that is behind this. Understand the release of a maker. I want a maker himself to come and say it and appreciate. But first, I want to say big thanks to all the fans that posted, that make use of the hashtag Free Brother Mike. Indeed, we don't achieve him, we don't win him. So, but a maker himself will come and say a word of appreciation to the man and to everyone, every man and woman that works so hard for his release. So, but for now, I just want to say, guys, a maker, brother Mike is free. All right, please just share this video, share this information, and let's give God all the thanks.
If boy go rape girl, the reason why government they take that case serious, you know why? Because woman they very special. Everybody they suffer for this life because of their children. Nothing pay rich when man go work with your wife, go work. They go suffer train their pikin for school. last these antichrist girls go come use their life take corrupt their children. Wetin the man go gain after all his sweat? Devil get followers pass God now for this world because devil don take e charge. Many people dey work for the devil. I make video for this woman last week.
Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, Nigeria. I be receiving calls about a brother, a social media activist. Is one of the men who have stood for the struggle of truth on social media platform. Brother Mike. He has been missing for some days now, and nobody knows his whereabouts. I want to beg the good people of Nigeria. These are some of the things people who stand for the truth go through. But sometimes, so many of you don't understand what they go through or what we go through. Sometimes we do a video and you praise us. Oh yes, you are good. Hey, we love you. Hey, you are this, you are that, you are that. Hey, oh, you are a man of this. Now when the repercussion of speaking the truth comes, these same people who praise you, these same people who push you, at the end, they turn their back on you. I remember my father in the Lord told me something. He said to me, Cassie, social media, the same people who praise you are the same people who will mock you. The same people will laugh you. And the same people they will just turn their back on you. Please, I want to beg all Nigerians, let's advocate for the release of Brother Mike. I think I've not met him one-on-one. I've seen his video. Please, I beg whosoever who has held him captive, whosoever, please, for the sake of Nigeria, release this young man for us, please. I am begging. In fact, you can say I'm not in a good mood ever since I heard it. Please and please and please, Brother Mike, release him for us, please. I've been letting him say sorry now. He should apologize. If he did a video to a big man that he's not supposed to do, he will apologize. But keeping him there, we beg you in the name of God, please. I join my voice. I join the voice of every other Nigerian. Please, if you don't know Brother Mike, his picture is displaying right here as I'm talking. Please, please, please. We are not dragging, please. We agree, sorry. He said what he's not supposed to say, sorry. We don't know what he did, sorry. But please, let it be released. We beg. Nigeria is our own. Thank you. My name remains Apostle Dr. Cassie. The Lion Killer is my name. The old firewood, Akara wall. Please, we beg. Free Brother Mike.